Good morning, my friends. How are you folks doing today? Friends, welcome to this video review about NeuroThrive. This is actually a really cool cutting-edge cognitive enhancement supplement that was meticulously crafted, to uplift your brain health and fortify mental clarity as well. So in essence, NeuroThrive today stands as a revolutionary blend of science-backed ingredients strategically crafted to optimize cognitive functions. And today I am here to give you all the juice, everything you need to know about NeuroThrive before you hopefully begin a treatment with it. So if you are looking to understand more about this dietary supplement, how it works, where to get it from, and so much more, stay in this video. I need to tell you everything about it, okay? But first of all, where you're going to be getting NeuroThrive from is just one specific place. It is nothing more than their official webpage. So below this video, there is a link, and that is NeuroThrive's official webpage. If you want to make a safe and secure purchase, if you want to make sure you're getting the original NeuroThrive, this is where you need to be going. This link right here, all right? But guys, you see, it's so cool because this innovative supplement actually aims to combat the challenges posed by our fast-paced modern lifestyle where mental sharpness and agility play pivotal roles. So in other words, NeuroThrive is not just a mere supplement. It's actually a comprehensive solution designed to support memory, focus, attention, and overall brain performance. At its core, NeuroThrive harnesses the power of a unique amalgamation of natural components that were each selected for its specific cognitive benefits. So we get key ingredients like PQQ, derived from the memory-rich natto, from the backbone of the supplement. PQQ, known for its antioxidant properties, plays a vital role in promoting the mitochondrial health, essential for optimal brain function. So by stimulating the mitochondrial growth and fostering blood flow to the brain, PQQ helps in preserving and supporting the brain cells for vital memory. So it's really, really cool because moreover, NeuroThrive, it boasts elements like bacopa, alpha GPC, and GABA combined with essential brain-boosting vitamins such as B3, B6, and D3. Together, these components work in synergy to enhance cognitive abilities and basically combat memory loss, and alleviate any type of brain fog. This supplement isn't just about memory or attention. It's about preserving and nurturing your brain's health holistically. So it targets the root causes of cognitive decline, promoting long-term brain wellness rather than just, short-lived boosts. And once you do get your hands on your very own NeuroThrive, start using your treatment right away. Take it seriously. Use it per the manufacturer suggests. Results are going to be impeccable. You also do have a money-back guarantee in case you need a refund at some point. Maybe NeuroThrive wasn't exactly what you thought it would be, so you can just talk to customer service on the official webpage and they will help you with a refund. But give it a shot if you are facing memory fog, if you are facing basically you can't think straight, that mental fogginess. Give it a shot. You're not going to regret it, okay? Pop over to their official webpage to learn more. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time, all right? Bye.